Good part of the day, dear students. Now I would like to show you how to work with Zoom platform. Firstly, find it from your computer or from your mobile phone, and then you will have this page. Just click on the new conference orange button and it will create a new conference. Okay. You will know you know how to work with them. Then you are given some options. Security, it's not so important part of today's workshop, so we will not deal with it now. Then how can you invite others to your conference? Then just go to participants here, click on it, then invite, copy the link, or this is the link is given here. Copy the link. You copy the link and you'll send to the person who needs to enter your conference. Just send it to that person. I am sending it to myself. Just paste it and they can see the link and then they can. Okay, so we are done with this part. And chat. You can write your message here, anything that you want to deliver to others. Then you can also demonstrate your screen. Just click it once and it will show you the pages that you have already opened in your computer. For example, I have opened some files here, yes, and it's showing me whether I want to upload them. Just choose the one that you want to share and you can click on this button. Then you can also send the reactions. Different kind of reactions are given here. Hoorah, or claps, or good job. Yes, you can send them. Then you can also, if you close this, why it's not? Okay, you have here recording button, Zapis. Just click on it. I have muted myself, therefore it's asking me whether to record it without any voice, so I will open it. And if you mute yourself, then it will not record your voice. Therefore, keep in mind to open your voice there, microphone, and then start recording. I will show it one more time. Just click on Zapis, record, and it will start to record. And if you want to stop, just click on this button. If you want to pause, just click on it. And then you can continue by clicking on it again. And you don't need this part for now. So this is what I wanted to deliver to you. Good luck in recording your voices.